The divide between Kyrie Irving and the Cleveland Cavaliers extends to his fellow teammates after he reportedly went multiple days during the playoffs without speaking to them. During an appearance on the Ball Breakdown podcast, via Dan Feldman of NBC Sports, ESPN's Dave McManaman reported former Cavs forward James Jones said he saw Irving go consecutive days without speaking to a teammate at practice between the first and second rounds of the NBA playoffs. ESPN's Brian Windhorst reported in July that Irving met with Cavaliers owner Dan Gilbert to request a trade because he wants to be more of a focal point and doesn't want to keep playing with LeBron James. Windhorst also noted at the time Irving signed a 5-year extension with the Cavs in 2014. He expected to be the franchise player. James returned to Cleveland as a free agent shortly after Irving agreed to that deal.